Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Vilor F capsule strength and dose, because accuracy prevents under- or overdosing. Once confirmed, check when the last dose was taken so you keep the correct interval. Make sure to follow the prescribed hours. Prepare a clean surface and wash your hands. This reduces contamination. If you use a pill organizer, load today's capsule now. By starting with these steps, you remove uncertainty and set a precise routine, which improves adherence and safety. Now, place the Vilor F capsule on your tongue and drink a full 8 oz of water to swallow it whole. Do not crush or chew because release properties matter. If your prescriber told you to take it with food, have a light meal first. Otherwise, follow empty stomach guidance to optimize absorption. Once swallowed, remain upright for 10 to 15 minutes to prevent reflux or throat irritation. By following these steps, you ensure the medicine reaches the right place and works as intended. Complete the process by logging the dose time and any immediate effects, because tracking helps your provider and you spot patterns. If you vomit within 30 minutes, make sure to contact your prescriber before redosing. They will tell you whether to repeat it. In case of severe allergic reactions, difficulty breathing, swelling, seek emergency help and have the Vilor F capsule information ready. One key troubleshooting tip: if absorption seems inconsistent, review timing with food and other meds and consult your clinician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.